Let's look at the relationship between property managers and leaseholders. Your property manager exists to help run the full operations of your development. That looks like maintenance and repairs, health and safety, client relationship, financials, and more. Here are my top tips as to how you can improve the relationship between yourself and your property manager and managing agent. Number one is being nice. Yes, sometimes you are frustrated. However, being nice and kind gets you very far in life. Number two would be to try and communicate with them when they are on site for site visits to get your grievances or issues across. Number three would be to read your lease to understand what their responsibilities are versus what your responsibilities are. Ultimately, your money is in their hands. So I believe that it would work best if everybody collaborates to achieve harmony in the ecosystem of leasehold. And I hope that this helps.